Ever wished you could spread out those big Walmart purchases without the credit card hassle? Now you can, right in the store with Affirm. Step 1. Get your Affirm app. If you don't have it already, download it from your app store, open the app and log in or create your account. Once logged in, tap on Shop Now or a similar button to start the pre-approval process for your Walmart shopping trip. You'll be asked to input the estimated total of your purchase. Affirm will then show you personalized payment plans, breaking down the cost into manageable installments with transparent interest rates. If applicable, select the plan that works best for your budget. After selecting a plan, Affirm will generate a unique virtual card number for you. This card is specifically for your Walmart purchase. Make sure the amount on the virtual card matches your estimated total. Now head to your nearest Walmart. When you're at the checkout, simply tell the cashier you'd like to pay with a credit card. On the card reader, select the credit option and then enter the virtual card number that Affirm provided. You also need the expiration date and the security code, all of which are conveniently displayed within your Affirm app. Just like that, you've successfully used Affirm for your in-store Walmart purchase. You can now take your items home and pay off your purchase over time through the Affirm app. Happy shopping!